Hey everybody, how's it going? I thought I would share with you how I achieve my faux blowout. This look is so easy to do, you guys. If you struggle using a round brush, curling your hair with a straightener, even curling your hair with a curler, don't worry because this is so simple to do. So if you want to know how to achieve your very own faux quick and easy blowout, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so for this tutorial all you're going to need is a curling iron. I use this one by Conair. I've had it forever and it's never let me down. It's super inexpensive and it's about 1.5 inches in size. Anything smaller might not give you the right effect. Anything bigger would be perfect. So for my faux blowout, I like to have freshly washed hair. It's when my hair is the fluffiest and has the most volume at the root, and I can just blow dry it in the way that I want it. So first I apply my Tresemme heat protectant, and then I go ahead and I blow dry my hair as usual. So I let my hair dry to about 90% if I have the time, and then I blow against the direction that my hair normally lays. This is going to help ensure that I have the most volume, and then I'll flip my head all the way upside down and I'll just blow dry all of my hair in that direction as well. So when my hair is blow dried, it comes out straight. If your hair isn't straight when you blow dry it, then just use a round brush to get your hair straight as you usually would. So I'm just parting my hair, my first section right here at my ears, and you just want to pin the rest out of place. Pretty straightforward. So that bottom section I like to divide into two, bring it forward, and then I divide that section into two. It all depends how much hair you have. You might need more sections than mine, doesn't matter. But you want them to be fairly big in size. So I like working with my back section first because that way if I miss any hair, it'll be in the front and I'll be able to see it. So it works better for me. So grabbing my curling iron, it's on the hottest heat setting. Probably doesn't need to be, but it is what it is. And I want all the hair to be going away from my face. So the clamp is going to be in front, right? And then I'm just going to start at the top of the hair, clamp it down, and slowly pull it down my hair, kind of curling away from my face about a half turn. And I'm just going to kind of curl it and sit it up on my shirt so it can sit there and really set the curl. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Remember to lay the hair flat as you can. Half turn, pull it down. Smells so good. You can smell like your hair product coming off your hair. So there it is. So you can see this side compared to this one. This side is more shiny and it has that really soft curl to it. And as we move farther up our head, it's just going to be so beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. So my next section I like to do just at the base of my temple. Same thing, divide that section into two pieces, bring it all forward, and then you might need to do 3 sections at this point, but you can probably get away with 2 depending. I forgot to add, if your hair has a hard time holding a curl, definitely apply hairspray in between each layer. Personally, my hair doesn't have a hard time holding a curl, so I'm just going to apply it at the end. This next layer, I like to cut just at the top of my temples. So there you have it, you guys. From this point, I'm just going to use some of my L'Oreal Elnet hairspray, and you just want to use a little bit. You don't want to weigh down the curls, but you want to be able to make sure that they stay in place all day and even onto tomorrow. I just can't stop. Whenever I do my hair like this, I can't stop touching it. It's so bad. But I'm going to add some of my Josie Maran Argan Oil Serum to my hair just to add some more shine. The heat of the curling iron adds some shine to your hair by itself, but sometimes I like to just add a little bit more. And it has a really fresh, lemony scent, So there you go, you guys. That is how I achieve a faux blowout, and it is so easy and it is so much faster to do than a true blowout. It leaves your hair super shiny and soft, and I honestly think it does a lot less damage than a real blowout would do. So don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, and definitely comment down below if you try out this hairstyle yourself. It is so easy. You have to try it, and it looks amazing every single time. So thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!